Very good morning, everyone. Now, today we will discuss what are the features of good essay. Now, you might feel, sir, ये हनुमान की पूंछ खत्म क्यों नहीं होती है? Why you are continuing these many numbers of essay? Sir, is it necessary to watch all these videos? Why you are taking so many sessions? So, my dear friends, on single rank, on single mark, there are almost 15 to 20 students are there every year. Now, just think the cost of single marks in UPSC means not only in UPSC means in every competitive examination you are going to appear. In this number of series on essay, I am just making an attempt to give you the proper direction, or rather I would say professional direction, and I am hammering everything at me as many times as possible so that these things will get imprinted on your brain, so that when you are going to write, practice, prepare for essay, you will keep everything in mind. So I will request every one of you, please go through all these videos at least 1, 2 or 3 times if you want to score very good marks in essay. Essay, as I discussed in the first lecture, is the most neglected part of UPSC preparation, but is the most scoring part of UPSC preparation. You won't get good marks like essay anywhere nor in GS nor in options. So that's why I'm suggesting you, if you want to go for essay preparation, please focus every point, every dimension I want to tell you. Clear? Now, this is part we have discussed already. I'm just giving you a hint that what all points should be there in your essay, so that when you're writing essay, every time you should think while practicing at your home that yes, this is not there in my essay, this should be there in my essay. You have to keep on thinking about this part every time, right? Now, let's start with it. Now, first most important part is you should have a very good language in essay. The language is not literary, no issue, but you should have a good understandable language in your essay. Everyone should be able to understand what you want to say. And sentences should be small, it should be crisp, it should be understandable, and most importantly, don't use jargons, don't use technical words, or don't use many critical words. Try to use simple language, try to use simple words. Second, your focus. Your introduction should reflect you have understood the topic, and your focus should not be missing in your essay. Essay is on villages and you're writing about all other aspects of it should not happen. Then third, organization of the essay, organization of images, organization of diagram, organization of what you want to say should be organized in a proper manner, so that your entire essay will have a natural flow and the paragraphs will have organic linkages. You will feel, the reader or the evaluator should feel that every next paragraph is coming in a very natural manner, and it is natural corollary or natural outcome of previous paragraph. When this feeling comes in the minds of evaluator, you will get very good marks. The next one, understanding of the topic. Your essay, your entire language, your all paragraph should reflect you have understood the topic. If you are beating around the bush, you won't score good marks. You have to hit the bullseye. You have to write very precise points in your essay so that you will score very good marks. Then next is substantiation or justification of your understanding, of your argument, of your opinion, with examples, with factual data, and with information, authentic, true and correct information to justify your arguments. Then grammatical conventions should be followed. Don't write essay in a very laymanish language. Don't use certain words which are not expected to be written, and try to have correct tenses when you're writing the essay. The next one, essay should be comprehensive, it should be inclusive, covering all important parts, covering all important dimensions of essay. It should be comprehensive, it should be inclusive. Then you should have balanced writing, that is covering positive points of the essay as well as negative points of the essay. Don't write one-sided, skewed, lopsided essay. Then value addition. Every time when you are going to write essay, you should always think that what new points can be added, how to make my essay different than others. What points in my essay will give me at least half mark extra for every paragraph, for every value addition, for every example I am going to put in the essay. So value addition continuously when you are preparing, when you are writing, when you are practicing a test series, every time you should think that what all new value addition points can be put in my essay so that I should score very good marks. Then presentation, you have to work on presentation. There should be proper paragraph, spacing between the line, spacing between the words, so that it is understandable to the evaluator. there should be a systematic approach. You should write systematically, think systematically, present systematically, and every unit of your system should be present in the essay. Prioritization, there should be orderly presentation. The most important point which will give very good marks should be put in the beginning of essay. Then second part should cover somewhat less relevant point. Over a time period, when you will realize that you are writing so many good points, so there is no need to write irrelevant point which have jot down during your brainstorming. So no need to put irrelevant, useless and unnecessary points in your essay. And most importantly, your essay should be effective. It should create an image in the mind of evaluator that you have understood the topic. All your language, your presentation, your prioritization, your value addition should create an image about your essay that this person has written an essay in an effective manner. He has understanding of the topic. He knows what to do. He is sincere. He is genuine. When all these things are included in your essay, you will score very good marks. Handwriting, spacing, paragraph. Whenever you are going to write the essay, always remember your essay should have proper paragraph. One page should have minimum 3 to 4 paragraph. I have discussed the number of paragraph in your essay. Then your essay should have literary flavors. Why? As we have discussed, what is definition of essay? Essay is nothing but literary reflection of your personality. It is literary reflection of your personality, your thinking, your understanding, your viewpoint, and what your perspectives when they are reflected in a literary manner. I know it is a difficult task. It will take more time, but practice makes man perfect. Practice will give you that every advantage over all other people to score very good marks. So your essay should have literary flavor, and there should be organic linkages. There should not be disjointed paragraph. Every next paragraph you are going to write should have a linkage with your previous paragraph. So there should be organic linkages. So this was all about what all components should be there in your essay. My dear friends, please remember, if you want to write, if you want to score good marks, please follow every video I made. All these videos are in open so that everyone can watch. My main purpose is all students should score a very good mark, and it is very, very essential for you to focus on every single dimension that can give you very good marks, right? So thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.